Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
just record on. Kathi usungadlanga ngini. Ngilomkazana ngani muhle la.
Andlanga dinga.
Ah. Our price our price thing. Yawenze yabo.
Hayi yakwazi
Wenze ngabo.
yakwazi why into lena yagcina yenzakala ukuthi ebizweni ambali. Kule nye TikTok engangayenza so nsithi bet what kwabe kuthutsha
Also yena asonambali.
hayi zwana phela ukuthi ukhamba
Safuzwisisa.
ukuthi yena ngunambali yes but
okay.
ukuthi siqine indaba yokumbiza nambali
Angasekho
konke anti ngayenza iTikTok leyana so lapho kwathusha khona iWeChat ngalokho ezithi mama kambali mama kambali
Awumbali bahlala bekhetcha ama strays. Yazi nxa uthiwa kule bizeli ihlala ikhetcha ama strays TikTok. Ngakubona Twitter vele tweet engathi lobuganga phakathi.
Ngombali.
awumzwanga umbali lona esehlabela njengo Rebecca Malope
Ngoba ngone.
omunye asithi imbali if ingoma ka Big Zulu leyani imali eningi yayifeature to Rebecca wayezahlabela
Hayi
njani
nangiyana mfana otshela sithi basi.
mfesa uba nemali
Ah?
Ngabantwana.
Ngabantwana bro.
Ngiyazokhanya ngathi mina
Twa kids.
ngikhangelile kuze nini ngikhangela
Children
i-12
wena.
in under 18.
PG.
Ngidonse njani?
But anyways, phela la i-podcast le azi I think okunye kusincedayo ukuthi ngani sikhululekile ngani yabo ngani sisendlini uyaqala uzilungisa ungakaqalisi yamshusha isicephe mama
Ngengqweshi wothi.
omongi
Just get.
omongi wahamba kuma date last week engasitshela ngoba besithi no I know you from the podcast can I take you out
okay
Kaya ufuna ngishelani?
I think ilathi kumele skip izigqoko la
Uzama ukuthini ngami la?
ngoba mina vele ngiqokile ngiyabe ngekho lokuzeni
So ufuba tshengisana wena.
bajengiseni bonani bajengisana
Ongawukhiphisa impahla uthi beze behamza udate.
yini ongayisuggest
Ngazikhiphanga lutho. Ufuna ngisuggestele mina.
hayi ngiyabuza
Bryson uthenga khiphani?
kanti mina sokumele ngifaka umbono
Efana umbono nje umfana la eBlair. Phela abafana ambazi mina thili menje.
but umongi ngiyakwazi vele bebekhala ngaye nje wathi no she's a gorgeous honey sabona gorgeous mongi nje ama DM nje mbani lo wesinto efana thebe sibhalile ku thumbnail ukuthi mongi enimcini mbani who is this chick bro ubhaliwe
Kublame unge.
Babe yazi i-thumbnail lapha labantu bayadlula lapha.
Vele abatsheli.
Kana abakudinga.
Yakwazi mina I remember.
Lokho abakudinga.
Lami ngiseseyiwatcha. Nganhle vele ngihle ngithi ngangikwazi ukuthi ngingaskippa by how many seconds ngiyaskippa intro yonke la.
Yabo sikwazi ukuthi
Ngihle ngingene ebunandini. Skippi for
izinto
play.
lezena sifakela lina thumbnail description siyabe sibhalile lokuthi
Ngikhola ama phone number
Oh,
khona
okay.
alibali.
Ababali.
Alibali khola.
iko sifaka khona
Awunjani
khona
ngifonele?
pha ukuthi if you want to send us a WhatsApp message you can do this. Yabo para bayenzi.
Abayenzi. Bona badingo wabo.
Para benzithi lento endenza khuluma ngayo ku podcast para ngabona ngani lizanithethisa ngakhuluma ngayo.
Ngikhuluma nsizwe.
Let him sit and say it. So izolo izolo ngikade umchova. Izolo
Ukade umthi. Uzamuthi ngathi usugada every day.
izolo
Bengakuzwa uzamuthi ngathi usugada every day.
Awenzi bom
izolo angila motor by the way.
Nane pake phala.
Para kudala agcina ukade umchova.
Soja ubuya ngani.
Yikho ukuthi ukupost status ngo.
Try it. We experience that. Like no, like ngananze idala ngagcina last year vele. I think last year supposed to 2025 and awugadanga.
Wow.
Yabo, not ukuthi
Oh.
not ukuthi utingani. Parece sikhangele dina la.
Lasa sifuna ukuzwa phela. So wena isikhathi sonke sobangagada umshovu.
Not ukuthi impilo I right what ne. But dala agcina ukade umchova. So iso that ngabona mana ngikade umchova like bensiyavakatshela inkabi yami ehlala enkulu manje. Yabo. Hamba lapha ngathi ngene emchoveni. Vele udrive uyangazi ukuthi ngiyenzani ngingubani.
Yikho de uchaya ingxoxo.
Yazi washo ebona nje ufuna iexperience liyana ukuthi ngingeni.
wakudehumanize.
Vele washo wathi umuntu
Wakholisa.
ehlezi wena noma uzokuthiwani.
Lona ushapo lo.
Bese kusele ukuthi lifaka ama mic.
Khayela ngani.
Khayela ngani. Wow. Eish.
Ezikubonayo lapha on the podcast.
Ihosh
Like
Caromima.
Wow. Imbizo yini lapho phela? Kodwa la kwase podcast
Caromima.
la kwase record.
Is a recorder but all right.
I'm recording. That's why I was recording.
Yeah.
Awusqubu was caught on camera.
But anyways,
So
sitting.
Soze khohle uthathe ekhuluma ngani.
Right.
Wahlwa la to drive.
However, lo mjita debehleli bonke vele washo wathi ndoda mina mfuna ukubuya ku podcast vele. I was like swim my gents but we sharp ukade umchova like after some time. Bekubhale
Yazi khamba bese mfubu siyade ngabhalanga anything.
Mbonile de postile sibili.
Yazi
Well, understand that.
esadinga kwapha mina ngikade omunye umchova fenithwela ama chips. Asakwazi ukunini but sometime last week ngilambe ngathi yavusa ikhanda yabona kule stick esibhale idlela lapho othenge khona.
Aliyonde cha.
oqala lo I think vele uyatrenda because ngiyawubona upost somewhere. Twa wehlule ukhetha indoda kodwa ukhetha umjova. Andile vele imbuluza amasomile ligadi level ingagadi phela na no mina ngigadi.
So selisingene lama sezogadela.
Twa osale duze uhambe ngenyawo.
Azingenza ukuthi abantu into abazikhuluma bazibhala khopha emchoveni basithatha.
Osale duze uhambe ngenyawo.
Ungakadluli to eyinyani kulenye similar to that one but le wayikhuluma ngomlomo. Omunye unkazana wathi hayi mina ngifuna uhlala emuva ngehlele eduze wathi so ngini nxa ufuna uphangisa uvuka ulale evrandini.
Asitobetsile lapho. Asitobetsile lapho. Twa
Khayiluma lo mesihle wazibona.
owejahilo abantu abanderstand ezikubona la. So thina mana ni abantu context since mina ngithanda unika abantu yabo.
Wathi gaga.
So lapho sirecordela khona kulomnyango yabo. So umnyongo lona kuyadlula abantu, yabo. So lingasibona singani sithi oh kebe kudlulisa
Kebe kuyi-
natural.
Khangelani izandla zakhe, they say everything.
Natural. Yabo. Sengikhohlele wedwa ngikhumana.
Ngezinto ozibone ezibhalwe emchoveni.
Ngithawa bejahile uhamba izolo. Mina yokugcina kuthiwa kulabo abathi ngiyashayina kangikashayini ngisafaka iCobra. Kodwa lesi sidinde but it's nice. But as in I think inanze uthi Jay into eziningi ngase ngasazenza Jay. Angazi maybe kunye futhi isikhathi lokuthi ngiyabe ngekho yabo. But izolo ngichazekile Jay ngazathenga manje lo gemile kwaba. Ngaze ngelokuza ngaze ngathenga lo mumbo. Off. So right guys. Siyabonga ngaze ngathenga lo mumbo hayi bekushap.
Awupostera ku-status.
Postera ku-status.
Asibonile you enjoyed.
So vele iphonga ukuthi uyanya lokho.
Vele.
Besicheckile nje, besikucheckile.
But for me it was nice, man. It was nice.
Ngakuthola.
It was nice. Otherwise, how are you guys doing?
Nangishop.
You see?
Mina ngi-happy bro.
Happy. When
Happy.
video kampura la. When video kampura la nesithi ngi-happy. Umoya wami uthi go. Umoya wami uthi go.
Yeah.
Ngi-happy. Bonke khamba kahle.
But when it comes to explaining being happy, akula edlule kamaleme, we are cruising nice.
I am extremely happy.
Yeah. Yeah, we happy sibe.
No, hey, happy da. Ano, hey, happy da. So, lishapu, akula mntu go ishayo. Sincama.
Ntwana sayivume ugoisha 2026.
Mina ke agoa mina. Hey, opening week.
Nalami ke ngagoa nje.
Yeah. Opening schools opening.
Yazi uprice. Sithe sibuye lapha podcast. Ungithengisele not ukuthi like uthengisa abantu yabo. But ungikhulumele ngomunye umuntu ngaze ngathi ha. Umuntu lo bengamboni njalo but uprice mfana wami wathi yazi ucherry low Jeki uma ekhuluma so mina price
So lapha demthengisa la.
hayi bemthengisa vele ebemthengisa vele
Uba masithomba.
ufuna uyakwazi ukuthi umthengisa njalo
Wena ufuna ngudiscourage. Ngiyabe ngibona ukuthi laba yi-perfect match laba.
Oh wena uzibonela ubhudansi ugele.
no where's in 10 ngikhuluma into engayisiyo kodwa anyways ngimdescribe ngendlela engayisiyo yabo like avele ngikhuluma into out of pocket but okunye sesenzele ukuthi yabo keep it PG then uprice wathi no she's not like that
Wow.
indlela yonke ezigcina ukukhuluma sesinga yabona mase singena lapha sesingena egarage lapha
Yangikhona iphela conversation.
and ayiphelanga nakhona lapha
Kwanza iqhubeka.
sathi singena lapha saqhubeka ngathi oh yeah how price imela market uprice imele ownile kuze nini dating app uyahlanganisa abantu abaningi
Kwango nothi uyajoyana no date my family.
mbone sokule dating app ezim
Dating app ezim.
specifically for
Ayikhona
Ngicela
uNtinde.
iphele link.
I think 90% of abantu ababekhona apho vele kuyabe kuyi-catfish la.
to zim Cupid
Zimot?
mbone
Isipano
Ngabe
sibi-
igcwele lonke.
ngizokuthiwa ngiyama Zimbabwean
Like,
hey but
Wonke
vele yonke
ama-culture.
into si dating app guys
even the TikTok, they dating app.
le Spotify
Ah.
aliwa Spotify lama DM le
Ah.
lisebenza apha ama phone
Uzozapha amafoni.
manasibo maybe nganisinya but mina the last time I checked this nansi la antiyabo
Babe ku DM.
nanka ama message abungakhulumi yabo nanka messages amangina bazidoti sabantu na but yonke into si dating app nje
Awesikavai.
I think yazi i-dating app
Uyazohlala
lana
lapho.
especific ukuthi lapha ngokukudata la. I think ipomba ukuncedisa ukuthi vele abantu abaningi abangela lokhuzeni. abangela Riz game laba. Uyahlube kwazi ukuthi umuntu lo uswipe kimi yikuyina akufunayo. Uyabona?
Yeah.
Unlike ku social media you never know ufuna uzomarketa, ufuna uzokuskema,
Small mankazana ombulu.
yabo.
Omongi. I'm sure bathola ama response kuma stories are ignore.
Hayi ngeke ngela data.
But kulento kade nsithi ngizayikhuluma futhi nsithi ayabona chere ngiyaba understand. Yabona ifeeling yokugada imoto ilokuzeni imoto enhle so yakugada imoto enhle uthi ha but amankazana ngwasoli yazi.
Yeah.
Yawenze. Not even Jay yazi ugada imoto so uthi
Ekabhururu
But mina amankazana yiye ngikhuluma ngayo mngani wami.
Liyani deep level.
Ngagada imoto.
Wahlala wathi?
Ngagada imoto yamngani wami so that day ngihleli phambili so.
Wayibona ingena ku reverse.
No do kuyazi ngenzana ngahlala zonyawo zami za. Yabo. Ngathi so ngezwa ngicomfortable lapho kule space futhi. Ngathi
Wow.
athi amankazana ngwasoli sometimes.
Amakhala vele ngasoyi. Muthi imnandi sikhuluma
On that
iqiniso.
note yongazola amankazana.
Nemali.
That
Ngosoli.
you remember ngo June lapha kuze kuqande the coldest day ka June lapha. Enye yaposta yathi yabona ukuthi kuqanda njani. Hambe kumaphandle 5 minutes uza understand ukuthi why befuna amajita lezimoto.
Yeah.
Ah ndo
Cabanga
tse.
sesiphezelana ngenyawo. Umqandweni wani.
Ikonzi.
Liliyana.
But yazo cherry siyabasukela sometimes. Ukuthi babe understanding. Wona ungaba understanding.
Cabanga.
Ngezwe lebelisha this week.
Fana.
Somele ngumelele le umbrella. Ay,
Qede ngucheated.
damn.
But anyways,
Nanchilo
ladies and
kuze ngimuntu.
gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the BYO podcast. Mphethe
Hayi
umongi,
voice yakho uyandisappointa la. Hi.
mphethe umongi, mphethe uBryce, mphethe uSteve Ofo. Mphethe la ukuthi ibizo lakho ngathi li PG man.
Hayibo. Manje Jomane.
Ibizo ibizo lomuntu olungileyo.
What's
your name? What's your name? I'm Prince.
Exactly bro like
Prince.
Bese linye.
njengomuntu wangikhona.
Elinye li West. Ngani last born.
Ele iko cash.
Babo. Babo. Hayi. Babo.
Ay.
Yawulunye kakhulu. But anyways,
Nginjalo vele.
Zikhipha. Yawazi sendibuze kaningi.
Ayibona unjani bro?
Yeah, iko ngeke ngifuna limbuze
Bona
khona.
njani,
Every time mina as man libuza something ngeke expect ukuthi
Sikubuze
maybe lapho
back, I
ngakhomment
know.
wena ke manje alimbuzi.
Awusiqambela mangisala
Sikubuzile
sokubuza.
bro kona njani?
Kambe bukele i-podcast usizwe masukubuza.
Mina ngisharp. I'm just happy to be here. Yazi kuyachaza ukurecord i-podcast so.
Bro.
Kakhulu.
Yachaza.
I think kumele sibele edition yokuthi it's nice to be here.
Umnandi
ukuba
ukuba
lapha.
lapha. Yazi ezihamba ema-church. But
Ngiyabona,
ngiyezona
yeah.
moment ilana especially mangi visitor.
Wena ngapha yabuboard.
Kanye nomakhelwane wakho.
Get smile.
Umtshela ukuthi I love you.
But mina race with confidence shame.
Yakhuluma.
Especially uma uyinkazana enhle awumfundisi ebengishaye nge-through pass. Ahlathi itshela umuntu oseceleni kwakho ukuthi muhle. Angikhulumi. Yabo ngumnikili ukuzo ethi
Usuqedile.
awuva. Vele mfakele inamba vele. Anyways Steve ovuthi le story.
Mina the story mina.
Xeshaya ngestory.
Sashaya i-visit to a grey prison lapana yabo labafundisi yabo. Fika kwahlatshelwa izibotshwa vele sezikholisa umfundisi wesithi umnandi kuba lapha.
Umfundisi.
I was an awkward moment, bro.
Baphendula.
It's nice to be.
Mbana
here.
zaphendula. It was an awkward moment.
Nice to be.
Yabo chumayele jele kumbe esibhedlela. Kumnandi kuba lapha. Barazi bengakaze ngicabange ngakho.
Cabanga eprison itsho njalo.
Ngithi lithabile kuba lapha ngisho. uNkulunkulu
It's nice to be.
uyephula ukuthi sisonke la. But anyways, couples have been breaking up. I don't know ukuthi lini social media ninjani. Twani FYP ngibonani lapha kuma pages and but I've been seeing so many couples splitting Cha udrive umjolo uzondile.
Damn. Ukuthi uthola mina.
How?
Yikuthi nguJanuary guys. What do you expect?
Mbone Ton. Ntandokazi and Bish.
Oh yeah, the best.
Those ones ibe mbaziyo laba. Labana ibe mbaziyo laba.
Asibalandela kakhulu ku TikTok lama.
Namana ibe mbaziyo. Abanye ngobani? Amanye abamakhiwa lo.
Mina ngabona abanye locally and ngangingakazi. Seems like everyone knew mina ngangingakwazi.
Ngobani mana la?
I can't name names. But ngizalinika i-context.
Okay.
Ngabantu abaku public eye. Anjo bayenza umsebenzi eku public eye. So there was a point in time ukuthi omunye wayesithi nxa ehamba esiyasebenza umsebenzi wakhe ayehamba lo munye. Uyabona? So umuntu wakhona la yabe le take name lakhe. Uyabona? So wena laphana sofika usisithi umfazi ka take name unjani? Uyabona? Uthathe hayi yekelani kusihlanganisa labantu esingasathandani labo. So ngapha samangala ukuthi
ngo-DJ
hayi
mboze
he won't disclose Jay.
mboze ngahlanganisa izinto ezingayisi. Mboze ngahlanganisa into ezingayisizo.
Nalambe senhlanisa
Wabona imethathi sizihlanganisa ayisizo. But ayisizo. Obanye
Sikhulumisa amandla.
Thongo uKesty lo Desmond.
Hey, la Desmond.
Wenzeni uDesmond?
Angingayilandelisisi indaba la.
Ungeyochithile?
But mana sibo.
Ochithile yombani. But kule
Uchithile akuthanda.
Ngani nguyu Desmond.
Yabona.
Apparently.
no para abantu bathi ngiyochithile.
I think ngiyochithile vele mina vela ngiza ngitshona mfuba le story ngihle ngithi amadoda achitha.
Ngono ufila njani ma indoda ichitha?
I think vele into enormal amadoda vele ngeke kuba hlukaniswa lokuchitha.
So accept kono?
Yeah. I think men are polygamous by nature so vele ngento utshona uyihlukanisa ukuthi amadoda athanda.
So wena umuntu
uma as long as ozentshengisela ukuthi asibabili.
Ngingakukhombisa ngithi I'm a polygamous man. Like how do you take it? Since when you've accepted?
Yeah, accept kodwa mina ngubalela mangikhuluma ngakho ngikhulumele ukuchitheni. Because ngiyakwazi vele amadoda achitha. Vele azuthini indoda yachitha.
Wona ke uthini?
Yeah, apparently nguyochithile.
No Desmond ngiyochithile.
Yabona amadoda achitha.
Mbone ngilokhu zenini ivideo my sister anasithi bekhuluma lo mjida wakhe about ama couples ona lawa I'll break up ayo ngokuchitha uthi ubuza umjida wakhe ukuthi bangachithela uchero omuhle so what umjida ahleka and uhle wakhe ku valid because ezikhathini eziningi I think o cherry mawuchitha umjida ubone ngani it's about you ne ubone ngani it's about you mawuchithela.
Yeah.
It's not about you. It's
Dilambile
never about you.
nje.
No. Like bona abantu abachithayo. Ngathi khulumela mina.
Vele-
Andithina lapha si represent
Yeah,
abanye ku podcast. So mina ngikhuluma izitori zabanye. But Jay, like, it's never about you.
It's about who?
Mina lawo siyabe grand. But then it happens ukuthi that moment isikhali izitshomi zami ziyajola ikozithula azifuni ukufakaza
Anye izisele siyakhona.
yazibona ngendlela
Izisele siyakhona vela akula muntu.
into yangikhona
Umbono
into yangikhona ngani sesibukela iTV yabona yabona
know,
like
like-
masuhooked on a program liyaflow khona
Yeah.
liyaflow
ngiyakuthithi zisaba ukuthi
Ufaka umbono.
umama uzathi
Uvuleka.
uzwile wena usithi no but lami ngisaba guys bona ngani nama ngisazi ngiyasaba guys
So natural.
Apparently.
Natural.
Kwe.
lithini gents
Hayi
Ay, vele-
engafani uyajuwela na.
hayi anjoy
Ivari livari kuba
yabona like on a general
ama potential pe
Oh.
baza ngijudge based on things that I say.
Okay.
We don't cheat. It's not nice. Cheating is not nice. Use this for the snippet, yeah?
Awusekele.
But yeah,
Sozamuvala bana.
umjide uCherewe sithi umjide wakhe bekhuluma khona ukuthi it's never about you. But omama baqhaza ukuthi uyamfebela because mina ngiswapa, uyangifebela because mina ngilomkhaba.
Yeah.
No.
Nanomkhaba so nami ngicanga maybe that's why.
No. When asibuze why sometimes umjida yokufebela lo muntu ongekho umuhle kulawe. Because it happens. Food for thought. Sibili.
Selithotha lo nithotist.
Lathi
I'm
thought.
thoughting right now.
Uvela
I'm trying to
uthothelana.
thought.
Yabo.
Ngiyathotha.
Angazi.
Ulomboni la.
I think on a general spectrum nje yani.
Utlo general spectrum.
Okay.
Hey. Esibangene auspicious occasion. Uthini general spectrum yenzeni?
I'm feeling so discombobulated now.
Utlo. You're amalgamated. Emancipation. Uthini spectrum?
Sithi fahla.
Ukuthi like yena leyo iqambile yani. It's also true ukuthi is never about them. Umjide engxenye yabe lama cravings akhe afuna abone somewhere yani. Abekwazi ukuthi omunye ya kwakuyiphi podcast lana sayenza sakhumbuza ukuthi kwakungi episode bani. Phakathi kwama 40 lo K Breeze. Uma 40 ansakwazi mbani but they say ukuthi sometimes izinto lezi nxa zisenzakala anjo umuntu umjida yabe respecta uCherry wakhe so much ukuthi izinto engizenza kuCherry lwa ngikurespecta so much ukuthi ngizenze kuwe. So that's why ngisazenza kulwa. So ngiyenza yonke disrespect ngale yakhumbula.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula.
Then enye into engxenye umjida uyabe engela peace ku relationship ebese sayithola outside ngayo. Wena nxa ufika ukuthi yangena inja. Yabo ubuyelani amanye amadoda ayaphumelela khona apha wena ubhiza awusebenzi nxa eqalisa
lapho lawo waye ungasebenzi.
Exactly.
Angiyala but into engitsho it how indlela abaku-addressa ngayo kuthiwa yiphi iprogram lena eyidlala ku-SABC kuthiwa nxa iqalisa umfazi yabe khweza ivolume yokukhangela isithi amanye amadoda ayaphumelela kuthiwa nxa uqalisa uzali yabe khweza ivolume yokukhangela. Then in years 3 sometimes this guys just being assholes nje. Yeah.
Ubulomboni uSteve ovela.
So thina njengabantu besintu sizavuma nini ukuthi i-cheating libalela buya ngescape?
So lifuna ukuthi lithi win.
Hayi mina ngikhangele ama generation wonke aphambili kwethu how they've been living and thina ithe sabuya lento leyo uthi thwa one man one woman and kuyasihlula futhi.
Sithini win ubufebe.
Babe ngafebe.
Ipolygamy ayinormal. Yikho sikujoin.
Polygamy ayinormal but ubufebe labo babukhona that's why there's a word for it.
Ngongafani.
Uze ukuthi like khona kuyani ukuthi umuntu ahambe eyelala nomfazi womunye umuntu yikho kwakuthiwa ubufebe uzibani bebefeba.
So wena ungaba nama girlfriend ayi4 kwathiwa isithembu.
Abafazi abayi4 aba-official
ama-girlfriend ayi4 hayi
ama-girlfriend ayi4
khathesi leyo asibafazi
ama-small things la
ngeke uthathe mina uthathe lozibani so sithi ngabafazi bakho sibe yibayi4 khathesi
angazi mina amajensi angazi ukuthi licabangani and I think ubufebe nje kani ubufebe buyadura nje. I think ubufebe le cocaine yafanana like it's an expensive addiction because garesi mina ukuze ngiyakwanisa but uze ngibe labo tshela abangu 5 oyi1 vele J uyismoko vele.
Omunye wathi if one wife can make you happy imagine nxa ule 5.
Yeah baba sesidlala umamchana awubona ngabe dlala umamchana.
What happiness overload.
Awubona ngomjidi dlala umamchana labafazi bakabanga 2.
Nabona bayadlala skipping rope.
But ubufebe nje I think we expensive.
Ayibona ngalena ekade ikhuluma lo siqubu le.
Ngangani?
Washo speed I think is a chief khona ngale Swatini esithi
Oh, laba
lo
bafazi.
ngumfazi wami is 2 eyakhe room yile lwane yakhe la lana ngeyami ngiyakwazi kube le girlfriend yami even khona wathi even ulabo khona bayakwazi ukuthi nxa ngingena lapha ngathi bengabuyi nyabembuye le girlfriend yami
But I got tricky. But
Abakho la yi2 bro bayi 11. That guy's got 11 official wives.
No, nya understand that pattern ukuthi but watshengisa abayi2 then he said nxa mfuna ubuya le girlfriend
but Lena,
excluding labana.
But do you guys believe in a relationship being public or ngasese?
Why mesasifihla in public?
So mele sipostane the first day.
Not hayi.
Ndoda
Into
kaMomo.
sayisakhuluma ngayo futhi.
Yeah,
Yabona
kwakulo
first
MJ.
day.
Yeah, I remember this
Mhlawumbe
conversation.
bavayindele nge-live video.
Mana ngihle
Yimi indoda yakhe.
nditshele into
Na
ena
watsho
leyo
njalo
yokwenza
watsho.
ama relationship ebe public also gives public access to your relationship yakho. How you make your relationship public and kumele uyenze in a way that is also careful. That's my
But guys
thought.
were not celebrities, guys.
Angiyali, but
Why
we
should
we
we
live in a
act
small we live in a small city.
Eblawa wonke umuntu le celebrate.
We live in a small city. Wonke umuntu
Inkinga
iyazana.
nale.
Exactly.
Thwali
Yabo.
ngagqoka izikipa zenu ze-Stars 29
Leze juluka.
zejuluka
Ngitshela lama iPhone.
nama-iPhone lapha lila zimota.
Yo, hayi eblawa abantu bakho.
Just like confidence.
Na ugqoka iskipa sejuluka le iPhone.
Wesina-
Na mene star.
Itholi
wesinasi
iPhone.
full description.
Wesinanzi.
Ugqoka iskipa sejuluka uphethe
Nithi
i-iPhone.
iPhone. Finish. Sokuchila.
Mana ngabuzi ukuthi ule moto yini.
Hayi amlimaza inhliziyo tshana lakho.
But anyways, ubukhuluma nje ubusithi kumele sibe public. Kumele si
Hawa menze sifihla. Mina I feel like uthi noma ngiqosa ufisa
ukufisa.
ngisaziluma la bese lo wenyama. Ukufihla
Ama-tendencies okuguga la ukhuluma izinyama sikhathi ukuthi ujela ubona ogogo.
ngani the moment ngiqosa ufihla i-relationship ani ngikho abantu baqosa uba lo mbono. Yabona
Umbono wani bengawazi.
lalela usuyifihlile ani sebesizwa iroma.
Iruma
Yabona.
libi.
Ngcini hlane lawe le baby lakho singalaziyo etown. Mbona ukuthi umgcini ngani uyajula uyabona. Abantu balomona ndoda mina ngihamba ngebuye efika nginjani ngitshela igirlfriend yakho imnyenyezela amanga. Ngoqasa khona uba lezi phithiphithi.
But mina azawuzayo wenzakale khonokho.
Into-
Ekuwafihleni kwami khonokho ngimdala ngingaka.
Into ekhulunywa ngumongi ngiyayizwa but all I'm saying is
Mdala
that
mongi.
ungahide ukulokhuzi. Don't hide the fact that you're dating. And
You are
but
in a
at the same
relationship.
time, man, don't show
Usho
people
ungasho.
everything that you are doing whilst they're dating because sebele access to okay, ngo-January bayenze lokhu, February bayenze lokhu, March bayenze lokhu, April bayenze so, bayehlulekile. Sebele opinion because now they can compare izinto. Sebebona into
ngumbono omuntu ngumbono wenu lo.
Yes, but yabona but kunjani antoni uvulile ama comments wafaka ipost yakho yaba public sizakhuluma abantu bale jealous but ubanikile icontent yokuthi baqalise ukukhuluma ngakho.
Abantu abakho nice vele dog in general.
Yeah,
Exactly.
into kumele si-accept yona leyo.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying ukuthi abantu naturally
That's
vele
so
banjalo
fish.
so ungabaniki into ezaba trick ukuthi bayenzeni ubu natural babo.
Isimoko sami ngokufihla. Actually in reason why ngivumelana lokufihla lokuintroduce even ebanganini la ku family is because what if ngatshintsha ka 5 so mele ngiposte ka 5.
Ngatshintshaka 5. I-girlfriend.
Yeah.
Bro, I feel like lawe
Introduce hayi.
ama-extremes osuwafaka.
No, because mina ngikhuluma ama realities abangani bami la
But
engibazi.
hey.
Ama-ex ena agcwala imchova la.
But I feel like
Abangani mentions.
akhona ama-relationship la lapho ubona ukuthi le ngani iyathembisa.
Make.
Usungaba lokuyi-hope nyana pari ungajahi. Kulaleyana la ubonayo ukuthi alapha vele ngokuyi-2-3
Awungayiboni.
weeks sesishaphe yabo.
Actually yona la nama 2-3
Ungaqali.
weeks you are right man. Yo elizibona sekuyi 3 years.
Ama relationship.
Yona la
Wena
neqala
ngena
3.
kwenye la msithi lapha mbambili. Akhumbula mbulu za podcast ethi hey nde relationship e1 yaqa. Bangenzani?
Vele ifuna nja.
Lapho ngapost. Yabona manje sethi ngapost ongena umuntu okwaziyo. Ngamphoma uposta imibhoko
I think kubuhlungu
nyana. Yabona ungama trip nyana. Ngapost futhi lama trip uthuze ekhaya mphoma uposta la ubona hayi lapha ngikhona nani? Go blind.
I think kubuhlungu wesi ngoba
La sengiphili hope yabona manje eish. Manje sangakhuluma asimove nini. Ngasafarisha. Ngapherisha. Guys. La ngambuya upodcast lapha ngangekho right ngamphephuka. Yazi ngonanzelela lesithi manje akakhuluma. Ngayizona out usayabuya imelela imessage ingangena.
but
Yazi.
usu right kodwa.
Ngi right kabi ngihappy ukhona onyenyezelayo
kule 2%. Yena lana nje ukwenza nxa ukhuluma uvala amehlo uthi
bro.
But ngibone
ngalimala.
mbona abanye abantu besithi ukuyalana lokho publicly stunt so keep like a relationship yabo private specifically untando lo bash ngizwa nganthiwa basebefuna ukuphuma kini lini of which is a smart move.
But phela okunye singakhohlwa ukuthi these public figures not specifically ama celebs they also create attraction or inkulumo ngezinto ezinje so yabo babonga ukuthuna kweyiwave nje uthi mana senza break it up right bebulale lapha ku social media sebe trendile bona
umlomo yalo
sebetholile ama
social
views,
media these
sebetholile
days la
everything.
esifuna
Ukhala khasi lokho zeni lokho
It's
epost
something possible.
ukazana. Ama pictures akhe lokho epostile uIG because ayothiwa sesiyalini umchado sopheli.
Yabona
Lokho sase sonke.
Yabona isimoko zokuposta futhi somele udelete.
You see now
Delete.
Udelete nje ili button eli1 but wona usudelete ngenhliziyo ebhlungu.
Exactly.
guys bengisithi ukuthi ngafihli ukuthi ku relationship is good because isikhathi ukuposte here and there not frequently right ngizalibuza umbuzo oyi1 omuntu ohappily married ole family yakhe enhle mbana omaziyo umfazi ka Winky D
No one.
but is married lo mfazi labantwana abantu abakhe liyabazi
yeah, I've seen a picture of the kids somewhere
okay after how long
and you do I wanna
exactly you see ngafihla
kamgcini.
ngokuthi lo mfazi labantwana
Umfazi kamgcini yamazi.
sizamfaka lapha
Liyamazi.
sizamfaka ku screen hayi
Malami la kosi ngiyajola. Aliyokwazi.
Okay, so that's the key.
antwana uhamba kuma date
Ngiyazidlalela lani.
Ismo ya online. Masomele lifaka ama statement. Hayi.
but I feel like ukupost especially for example IG uyenze like a proper post siyile ukuthi lapha ngiposte uzwa that's wild
But
kule nge story nje kasilanga
But kulento engizwile since vele thina si podcast yomjolo sihlala sikhuluma ngezomjolo la. Asilalele ni voice note le. Azikuzwa.
Hey, these Uber trips at night, they kill me. Hey, I know there's an old saying that they say it's very important to choose the right woman in your life. And before you choose her, you must do your homework. Make sure you get her file. So I'm picking up a couple here. There's this, it's called Black Bull Restaurant. There's this new spot right there inside Sunnydale. Not the one on Sundown Road, the one by close to Table Bay Mall. For those who Uber and Parklands will know it. So I'm picking up a couple there, and I'm taking them to Parklands Main Road. And then after that, I pick them up. I can see, no, it's not looking good. It's not looking nice. So they were coming from having dinner there. So I dropped the guy.
But I suppose. Omchita lo ngani is a good storyteller. Yamuza.
So I dropped the guy and the girl there. But I can see they're not talking to each other. You can see there's tension. Fast forward. I'm now about to leave. He says, my brother, I'll pay you 70 rand. Can you drop me off here at News Cafe? No stress. Then the girl asks, why are you going to News Cafe? Then he says, please, I need space. Then the girl says, okay, but you can see she wasn't happy about the decision. So now I'm driving on Parklands Main Road going to News Cafe blowback. So now the guy is telling me, like, you know, he says, hey, he now thinks he made a bad decision. Why you say that, my brother? Why you think he made a bad decision? Now he's telling me that there, that restaurant where I picked them up, there's some guys, who went in there. And they went to their table, and they just recently got lobola now in December in the Eastern Cape. Now. So now the problem here is, these my guys are asking this girl, hey, Zianda, where are you hiding yourself? A long time. Do you still do hookups?
Yo.
Yeah, the guy lost it. He says, he feels dirty. That he wasted his money on lobola. Hey! Comrades, people are going through a lot. I thought my carpet was a lot. People are going through a lot.
Nansi indaba madodana. Nansi indaba.
Amadodana kaBaba Shep.
Nansi indaba bangani bami lapha. Hayi. Digesteni nje.
Lise cotton bro. Table for 2.
Kodwa lana eCotton.
Athutsho price.
Sharp sibili sikiyo.
Nicole Mongiamoyo.
Ngosilina nandithembi lingakwenza. Lina ngithembi.
Yo.
Ngcini.
But imagine belande tshela wakho Jay. Look afast look esasotha ama oji mamas. Wena sulobolile.
Kona vele you should normalize ukuzichera ukuthi lama ex amangali.
Ubana utshe qiniso.
Nabo bani. Yeah, that's the thing. Yikho phela zambamba khona because awulande pho nje into busy lapho uhlezi wezitshela ukuthi le cherry yakho. Lokuthutsha amajita.
Maybe vela amankaza nonkothi lama ex amangani le 2.
Mawunsele Jay. Yabona ukubuza iphumi. Ukubuza iphumi Jay. Mina into le I think inhlezi ngi discover ukuthi ungazi nje kule ezinye izinto awusozubezazi vele.
Lezi zinto vela ongamelanga ubezazi. Amenze ufuna uba kwasindla ama ex amangaki.
Amasimba la.
Kuvele ukuthi
Yikho phela ukuthi sibe kwazi monga ukuthi
ora yona uzula ama ex amangaki uzantshela.
ngiyakutshela mina.
Hayi, livele awusoze ukwanise lokubala cause abe maningi.
No wena why ucabanga baningi. Bebengcende 2 ke.
Yabona lami le 2.
Hayi wena lapho uzukhompyuta lami ukuthi le 2 but wena uyabule 7. Yabo.
Uthi ziyadlula i7 ke.
Jake wazi.
Utshele njalo sithi le more than 7 uzayenza njani?
Azawula into ebuhlungu Jay. Ngikhuluma ngento this is real stuff this thing that I'm talking about here. Ukuthi yathola umuntu Jay. Thawo yalotshola nje. Ngiyalotshola nje. And uyakwazi umjitha owagulayo because of umuntu ongona.
Demot. Umuntu ongikhona yalotsholo. Lotsholiwe.
Ngoba ngathi ukebe ngani into eyizolo. Abantu abaposta amalobola ngesande before i-podcast. Bazokuthiwa ha. Ubukhuluma ngobani wena la? But like izinto ezinjalo Jay, ngicela uzifake ezicathulweni zomjida Jay.
Shit. So lo mama lobola yakwazi vethu usisi yachisa.
Untsho ukuthi ngaba kwazi into enjalo. That's my thing. Like
No yabo
that's
wazi
my chat.
yabechisa.
Like yabukwazi wena into enjalo Jay.
But I think vele lize
Hayi
lifike.
abokwazi bra.
Lize lifike ku point ukuthi sesilobolana.
Amela
Come clean
abokwazi.
bro.
Hayi.
No but
Ayi,
there's
ufihla
Lobola
sibe
no
kani-
nje uthachisa bra.
no andiyelatshwa. Mipinci yalatshwa.
Hayi.
Mipinci yalatshwa.
Uzwala uthi ngokhayele njani?
Khathi permanent lina selu ngepermanent hayi permanent hayi permanent hayi.
Uthi waguliswa ezini maybe okwami STI nyana.
Yeah.
Oh hayi acaca phela nana bese ngicanga
Kanti vele sithi ngikhuluma ngelokuze nini?
yini inkinga yakho?
Hayi
Hayi vele ikhanda lami mina sivele ngithi ukhuluma amagama amathathu.
no ngikhuluma ngabona labo ofifilif.
Oh, gonorrhea. Oh right, maybe yalatchwa maybe.
But still, that's not the point. Vela sikhuluma ngesiki la. But J.
Endaba yesiki ke.
Umuntu. Yo guys, I think uNkulunkulu asigcine gents. Because
Asisike encane la.
but nakhona I think la mangumjiti ungaziphathi sharp. Into ezinjalo amela ngicomplain ngazo. I don't know.
Waziza kubamba.
Yeah, I think any problem imachita.
Because ama double standards amachito ukufuna like these perfect people but yet lawo ngubhebhilizo.
Sengiselomusa.
Esenglis lo musa. Kuyavuma yini? Hayi siyabuza abantu bakamlimi. Look at your neighbor.
Abayekele no
Say neighbor.
Say neighbor.
Is it a good thing?
Ikuma yama double standards le. Omunye umjiti interview omunye chere lapha kwenye reel. Ansakwazi umbuze na your question is so misogynistic. What is a misogynist? Abekhala umkhana what is a misogynist?
Yeah.
Antola bona.
Yiko phela konoko.
Ngapha do bebe bakhuzeni naye.
But yabona madoda situation le tricky le. I tricky 44 mina ngizwela wena nguzwele wena. Ya nguzwele uzalobola wena unless unga decide ukuvuka udlalele team.
No I haven't lobola ba.
Ngawo. But ngapha izithomi zami nga.
Mfana mfuna uzoba ngu-MC.
But onye kuyismoke kuyini futhi. Onye kuyismoke kan lapha sembuza amajita. Masikwazi information enjalo like sikutshela njani. Sesikubona ukuthi uhappy.
Andi vele umgcina ufuna usehlukanisa.
Ngiyabona.
No, like nasebe sikubona ukuthi uhappy in as much as the track record is not nice but you are happy bro.
I think indlela omlanda ngayo remember nje. Kunalokho yani ukuthi lihlangane maybe even a bar or something and abezephonga uvule ajike la uchiro wakho uhambe senze so. Lokana la usunga ku tata is a joke or serious at times. But I think making it more formal makes it have that value or that weight. Ngulande nje into bro. Kule ndawo ngifuna ukutshela. Sihlale phansi sibili keep it out for coffee.
Ngambona into elula le.
Ngutshela ukuthi bro.
Ecabanga indaba osuzazi khona lapho sokuthiwa sihlale phansi.
Ukukhulume. Ngutshele.
Utshele.
And even noNkulunkulu uthi come let us reason together.
Uvuka sikhuluma.
Uvuka manje
Uvuka sikhulume manje abo siyithola direct from the source mos.
Yeah, lapho sokuchile lapho.
Thi baby ngicela sikhulume.
Lapho sokuyikala.
Usakhumbula? Khumbulani mbali.
Ngicela ungaqeda ukurecorda. Ngicela ubuye sikhulume. Yaba yi7 days podcast ingasidwetshwanga.
I think into le yanzimela Jay. Oh, we need to talk.
We need to talk.
Because senzani ke lesi? What are we doing? Are we singing?
I need to talk. Yo, yaginqisa ezini.
But izinto majenza ngazani omele nje sicabange ngazo zona lezi. Nanga umjidi uthole ezihambela lo chiro wakhe sithi they are having enough time. Amajidi athi how? Ziyanda, do you still do hookups?
Damn.
I'll find out information before lobola, bro.
Yeah.
But my point is, also will find out going. Just prioritize happiness.
But try, bro.
But situation.
No, prioritize happiness, bro. If I'm happy.
Kulezinye isikhathi ukuthi umuntu yabumbona ukuthi ulibonile igodi igejiwe lapha nofika uyiqela phakathi. Then ube sosiba lento lana ukuthi abengingakwazi. Yabo. Ngikho besithi abadala babekwazi nxa besithi induku enhle iganyile ezizweni. Ngale yabo ungayazi history yakhe kuhle kuhle kungela umuntu ongaphomba ukuzokuthutshela ngaye. Umthathe Harare umbize lapha koBulawayo. Akula umuntu ozafika ethi mongi.
Ismo these days umhlaba somncane nje. Nge social media these days jalo ukubona ku TikTok
Now you are getting to my point. Carry on. Cook my friend.
Yeah, to post umuntu wakho labani. Utholi izichomi kuma comments mfana zifaka ama pictures ilaye.
Yeah, but manje khonoko kungcono bro. Uthi find out. Yabo?
Enjalo vele budiriro. Womletha la. Ichomi lakhe ku TikTok lilibone lapana FYP lapha athi ndigamchira ika uyu
Yasugaba uthwele nzima.
But ukhona nje komnyitshero ke okakukhuluma khona ku TikTok ukuthi the more umfihla umuntu wakho la omunye oshare la umuntu wakho la uyamfihla. See? So exposing into ngeke bekwazi haya.
Omunye okakhuluma wathi like for girls that want to get married, not those that do not want to get married. Laba bafunayo abale Instagram. Ama pictures zakho wonke lama stories zakho wonke afaka ku Instagram would you be comfortable ukuthi afakwe ku screen on your wedding day?
I'm comfortable. Besides manje
Oh sure.
mawuzithi besides vele
Besides you know.
Besides manje
Konke ayikhonti siyakhetha siya konke. Siyakufaka lapha uyachata siyakufaka lapha.
Babonke lapha ngisakhula
Umongi ethwele ulawuda.
Umtshado asi-achievement futhi ngeke into emele sinanzela.
Yeah.
Or
I think ikho kwabulala umtshado konke ukuthi umtshado so achievement.
and mina ngiyawufuna.
umtshado kufanana lesithupha se-olive dog.
So
Yay.
Lokuyena istage omele udlule kiso grade 1, grade 2, grade 7, form 1, form 5 imtshado. Like it's part of, yabo.
so navela ndaba lakho.
Not ukuthi angilandaba lawan. But kulabanye abantu abathanda ukuthi benza ngathi like when I get married.
But kwabanye achievement bro.
I don't know.
Umuntu
Umuntu
streets.
uchatelo bani phela.
That's my opinion.
So zama uthi ngoba mina ngiyafuna.
Wena uyafuna. So kuya ku achievement.
Sengenisa abathina phana.
Manje.
You know, I think it feels like an achievement sometimes, like if there's a certain couple that has been going on good for years and uba adore and you like the way they are doing things, church lapana la ku community la hey ngafika usikhala ubone ngeholiday nxa kusiba iholiday abazukulu bebuya ama family members they all want to visit them. Uyabona, then ukulokhuze ukuthi abantu laba they are now in short supply abanjalo. But you remember cooler like there was always a family ukuthi yabona ukuthi like nxa kuthiwa ngesabatha lapha thina abanye si ngama 7th day angikhenist so singena Saturday and Sunday ubona ukuthi kulabantu ababuyile namhla bavakatshele ngama family ngama relatives lani everyone is there and you say hey lami ngaba lendlu yami ngiyafuna ukuthi abantu babuye bezomvakatshela sibanengi ngilomfazi wami lapha yabo. That's when it feels like an achievement because into uyifisa uyi-achievile. Yikho sokuyini achievement.
But lananzelela ukuthi reason why city futhi actually i-Olive i-example yami isithupha se-Olive. Nxa ngapass i-Olive sengiqedile like sengisitholele isithupha sekuyi-achievement la. Umtshado uqala ngeday yomtshado. Sisingasaba lena yi-ceremony la. But umtshado ngokuqala khona pha lisiya phambili.
Yeah, I think ule point here because kulento engangakhuluma ukuthi like these days abantu abaningi they are so worried about the wedding than the marriage.
So lapha uthi i-marriage certificate so achievement. Actually, you achievement.
Yeah, achievement.
But the marriage
Iqala khona
you
phana
and
bro.
them, that's unity.
Angazi. Anyways, abantu vele baza
Mina ngimi kuyafana na konke.
abantu baza
But
ngisola
like
but
if you chase marriage, you'll have a happy life than someone who chases a wedding. So ufuna sibiza abantu abayi-15 siphomba ukuhlala laphana kusikikheke hayi mina uyanjayela.
I feel like
But umuntu othi mina as long as ngingabalayo abangikhaya bangikhulule I'll be happy. Those are two different types of people there.
I feel like it's an achievement. What I'm about to say. I feel like it's an achievement for most people because they know they are not nice people. They know they are hoes. And angikhulumeli like ukuthi ngithi madoda abafazi ngifaka konke bracket e1. Che, awona je mo isifebe je kusuchadile yathi lami ngangazicabangile. Wambona uThanos esehleli phansi lapha nje yabo. Suwonde. Nazi bona imfika la I feel like you feel like achievement like
Sakunta ama fruits.
yabo fika lapha nihlala phansi but angazi
Yo andilile mbono she.
I don't know
Sesingangena ku school.
but otherwise as an ad break we are coming at you live from Lei Cotton
Yona le.
Cotton Crawl. Fuck, it's not Cotton Crawl. It's Cotton Lounge.
Cotton Lounge.
This is Cotton Lounge.
That's cotton.
We groove here. Yeah, we groove here, shem. We groove. Siyazi groove here, shem.
Saturday.
Ungakhohlwa phela into
Sikho.
eqhakathekileyo engesiyenza la.
Which is
Siyadla la.
oh yeah, we eat here.
Usayenza
Yeah,
lapho
if
kwenzela.
ufuna buya for Valentine's lo muntu wakho nginanzela ukuthi Valentine's so topic arrest.
Next month phela sokufikile.
Ay guys ay.
Sosihlabe izibomvu nje. WasingeSaturday so awula excuse uthi vela sozokwanisa uyicelebrate lonke lo baby kumele li celebrate
Sebenze church into esizayikhonza no mama.
Chayiso.
Uyangena uyabuyela lasemini.
Mfana akusi tomato sauce esizayisebenzisa ngalelo langa si celebrate yona iValentines
Ngiyamzwela.
ngoba it's just a day. But anyways, we're coming at you live from Cotton Lounge. Don't forget to like this episode, subscribe, comment. We like the comments. Don't comment about the thighs on WhatsApp. Comment about the thighs on YouTube because we want the engagement. Shout out. Po. The Zulu team government is rolling out $10 million for content creation.
Amazing.
Wow.
Yabona nxa ama content creators iyi 1000 la. Sabe shiyana mamali.
So hle budgetela.
Budget. But nxa bebukela i-podcast lethi na bengasithi gawe i-10,000 kuphela asiyabanika yonke i-content abayifunayo.
Nje.
Ngilishayele mina ibudget ukuthi izahamba ngaphi imali. Already very I think amanye ama-million vele sehambile vele.
Tela kithi akafi.
Akhona vele ephepheni vele like swing. But asehambile vele aselo msebenzi. But I think yabona as the government what we do with that money for content creation, we have to buy maybe 20 Fortuners. Like just to go and scout for content creators. Ati wazika. Ndiani ma content creator acho. We have to buy zimota kuti tiende toona ma content creators.
Zvese zvinofanira kuva nema mobile Starlink. A full package. Yeah, because vanoshandisa data ka.
For my administrators, isusu tiri ma administrator ka. So tinofanira kuva nemota. We also need a seminar. Seminar iti ku Rainbow Hotels. Everything paid ka, because isusu are working for the government, so we need my allowance content creation.
So imali sihle yaphi la khona?
Yathi buyela. Yebo sokuthiwa kwakumele silini alikhulumanga leni. But yeah, 10 million up for
Quick question. Wena bengakunika kathesi uthi okay, right, we have allocated 10,000 to you Mgcini, the content creation. What's your first move?
Yavala podcast.
no, but 10,000 incane. No, to be honest, 10,000 incane. For this thing that we do here, 10,000 is not a lot of money. Angeke ngililahle bangani bami for 10,000. 10,000 incane. 10,000 obviously sathenga equipment. Sizaqalisa yabo balonga
Sifuna ama headband wona na ama handband lawana ukuthi nxa sisi streamer.
Shy chat.
Yeah, i-chat.
Yeah. Say chat. But 10,000 equipment nje. Asingeke sithenge imoto. Sithenge imoto?
Lekwana.
Okuyigonyeni.
Ukubuya ku podcast. No, but I feel like Yeah.
Ayigcinwe yinkazana.
Camera zifuna 4.5.
Yabo or say
A1.
Camera eyi-one.
2 kumbe 3.
Wow. Asho umziso ehliphelile ku-equipment.
But I feel like it's a good initiative. Okunye I think bayenziwe ngu Superstar Jani, who is still representing us well there. With the-
That guy who's more speed than speed.
Nah,
Yeah, superstar is actually a superstar.
he knows how to read the room.
Yeah.
Ambono
Sefika wachaza Miss World ngale.
ambono I shows
Alo ano
Wait,
Ethiopia.
take a
nguye
He
othumba.
actually saved the stream. Uphose waqeda i-stream ulokuze no speeding ngenxa
Owe
yokuthi
Ethiopia usiqubu nguye wethu.
Bayenza bonke itho.
Sebeyi3 kanje
Mana
Ethiopia.
city speed in Ethiopian language. Bakhuluma Ethiopia.
I think it's Swahili.
Must be Swahili.
No, I don't know, but I think.
Twan, But fitineti. I show fitineti ngale limbonile ukuthi ebe bhayiza njani.
Jeki, anilano bengakwanisa ukukhuluma isikhiwa.
Ngathi ngapha sithi siqhubu. Ngale ngufitineti.
Right, 15.
Uthi uOG
No, the one from
ayilwana lesi
Ethiopia.
Ngiyela ntenga kwasiwa.
Abazamile ukumfakela
Abharu bachazile sekhulumo come on labo.
You know what I'm saying?
What I'm saying.
Say it again.
Ba celebrate.
But yeah, I feel like kuvelela khona pha. Lokhana ikho ngabe kulumathisile lokho. Don't you think so?
Jeki, mina into engikhumbulayo kuphela sembona ispeed lwa. Ukuthi sometimes nxa ufuna uzifaka kwesinye space zikhangela ukuthi uyakwanisa ukungena and you match the energy elapha. Because into lana ababona since lathi silayo njengeZimbabwe mana sifaka owethu lapha. Umuntu bamfaka ku spotlight enzima nama.
Ngeke uthatha moment nje ezinye izinto Twan okudalelwe mina ofika nomilanga shona.
Awuza amasabatha.
Amen.
But as it
Lithini bandla.
Ngiyabona yona le yiyo ngikhatha ngithumela umasalo lomntana.
flip side of the coin, and
Xa ngisa record levo.
Izinto engizenzayo mina.
flip side of the coin, I think sebe ku realize le futhi ukuthi content creation is also playing a very big role when it comes to marketing and advertising.
Yeah.
Because I've been following Ira something. Those Harare content creators. A big number of them, they are now partnering up lama lokoza, lama big companies and all that marketing and stuff. Because there's this video actually I think last week. This guy was saying, hey, when I ochiribenu abagcoba amapenda wenash paints bayaliwe ngo speed bazilandela like the natural look and all that, yabo. And that guy was trending CBD. The comment section was on fire and everything.
Yeah.
So I think indlela was ebe notice but this thing is singasilisa lathi as a
But
nation.
10 million. Huh?
Obviously 10 meter. Well,
I
I
don't know.
think 10 meters ongaba ifika nje ukuthi that
But
is
are
exciting,
we are here for the support, guys.
exactly.
Singa maybe singahle sichele emsebenzi. Iyafika.
Isingafika. You'll be surprised.
Iyafika.
Isingafika.
Ashendlela positive.
Iyafika.
Ubona comic elders behamba ama raptor.
Siyachi imsebenzi sensithi siyachi content. Hayi, asichi content. Siyachi imsebenzi because I feel like the initiative is sweet, hopeful. But anyways, asas. Ama 10 million. Ama results Olive. A-level menga open.
I mean, I think in Bona A level.
I think konga zipo.
Usually is February.
Oh, which are
Yeah, it's beginning of February, so yeah.
Oh, okay.
Suzama
Lile slow ezibhalile.
Slower.
Isihloba.
Lile slow ezibhalile. Nansela ntengimaziyo obhalayo. But ngibenzisa ukuthola abantwana baxoshwa futhi ezikolo for ifees kalesi. Longathi kuyaphuma unews.
Phavele uxoxwa kudala. Thatha
It's something new.
Sixoxela ifees.
Bebe uxotsha all the way from Gloko.
Mna ngifihla ama-receipt. Hayi mina ifuse yami ihlale ibhadale yoko. Bakhokhana uthi ngiphume esikole ngiphume egangeni. So ngathiwa ama-receipt ngangifihla.
So uphumuye nga?
Ngibuye lapha etown sibili. Ngokumnandi phela ufike eBulawayo town. Uzoshaya ngomoya lwana uzogeza ngamanzi endlini. Befike benjaya endlini qeda bembisele. Bembisele the very same day.
Ulithi mina bembona nama receipt ngakhohle khona.
Ngibona mina ama-receipt. Mna ngifihla ama-receipt shem.
Mongawuzwa.
Mongakezwe.
Mongawuzwa.
Bengishaya bengigadisa iscooter yakhe bembisele esikole.
Lina laliqotshwa madoda kombe yonke into right.
Udazi kwakumnandi ukuxotshwa mfana.
Cheers. Kodwa akumnandi guys.
Linazi lingenza ngibe worried as. Mala likhonisa ukuxosha.
Wosibabe kubiza uAsimba.
Uhleke.
Khathiwa Nicole hambe ngene ebhasini wena.
Uthabela ukuthi
ngigijime ngehostel mphekho kuyisetsheli nyano kwami uncane kuphela.
Uthabela ukuthi uxotshiwe.
Awumna understand. Ngumnandi.
Uxotsha. I remember what efuzi sasithola kuvala igate. Lezena ngani sasingena dawa lesena lawo bhajali ohanja okumuntu. Take a bite. Chethi ubhadele 2. But kulesikhathi wayilahla khona ku 2008 laba.
2008 ke ngabhala khona uform 4 bra. Damn. Bro.
Alini state made it bhadale ikhansela.
Elita.
Mfana. Anyway,
Ngisakhile so wrong.
Mana maybe nqanga uzonga.
2008 mgcini.
But for 2008.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Wow.
Ngole eminyaka emingaki?
Avela ngikhumbule. Lokuthi ngangihamba.
Limangala mina zayinibuza uma 40 yena wabhala nini?
Ukuthi ma 40 wahamba.
ama 40 hayi mkhulu.
Ole 5.
Only 5 years bro.
Khona 2000 bani.
Ngontino 2000 bani?
Tela kwela.
Yazisebenzela abantwana la.
Hayi bari uprice asimvu.
Hayi mana sesisuka kimi sesibuya kuwe.
Hayi wena.
2000 compound sentence for an age.
Wena ngeke sikuvulele yakho ipodcast.
2000 and.
Wathi la 2008.
8 wabhala Olive dog.
Ngayibhala labo K Breezy labo lokhuzini.
K Breezy.
No 2000.
Labo Niger bonke bona sabhala u2008.
Ancestor ba.
On grade 5 I think.
Stivo.
On grade 5.
2008 angu form 2.
Yey.
But damn what?
Sorry bokhurt man.
Hayi like wohorman.
Sorry maboza.
Hari.
Parano awumelanga kube abantwana bebexotshelwa ifizi ngo 2026. I don't know. Mina ngani kuyanceda ukuthi sikhulume ngakho like ngiyafika lapha into esizikhuluma lapha lobona nganzile impact.
Khona ukuthi wena ungena emchoveni lo driver waku recognize.
Oh yeah.
That's some serious impact. I think ngenye into esesiyithatha lightly as a podcast.
Ukuthi
The impact we're making in the community is so significant. And nasebenza ukuthatha ngani.
Bawubhadalisile manje umchova since.
bathi emgcine kwanza ukubhadelela wonke umuntu emshoveni ngathi seninjayela manje noma lozonenzana manje baba
Ndo indiscipline.
But
This is where we do.
ngimbuzile Nithe ngihambisa imali ngabuza athi imalini wathi $1 ngathi serious uthi $1 wangikhalela straight face wathi wathi ithatha imali wahleka wathi ngiyazidlalela ngathi okay
Somgcina ukhosholo ukuthi umchova imalini.
no ngiyawazi mina ukuthi imalini but anko confident man umchova 5 rand
No, but imchova
nalendlela khona mina 5 rand
because I got imchova from
Man, yazi ngiyakwazi ukukhona umchova wena okhulumelayo.
no but lo 5 rand
Abakwazi khona.
uyi 5 rand umchova then mawuhamba mawonda fit la na 10 rand
Alright, umchova on a general note uyi 10 rand. like 75% of
Chuthi thina
him
siphila
i
kuhle
10
phela
rand.
because i-5 rand.
You see?
Yeah, ama-areas la ngisibili 500 qinisile.
Akuseduze
But
phela.
anyways, mina my question was, if we are saying kungaxoxwa abantwana or something like that for refuse, what solution can be put in place to replace
Free
ukuxoxa
education.
abantwana?
Khwabe mfuna ukutsho njalo. eZimbabwe.
Free education. I think eSouth Africa bafunda mara.
I
Kuma-government
know
Ezinye izikolo
eBotswana-
bafunda
Botswana,
mahara but
Namibia,
lakwazi free
ikhona.
education bakhuluma ngani. I-tuition and general purpose fee yimali lana ehamba ku-government but ama-levies ngawesikolo so hayi nokufunda ufunda mahara but isikolo sifuna i-levy sifuna i-bus levy sifuna i-pool levy sifuna i-what levy because
Njengamabhasi.
ama-levy you are expensive
Njengamabhasi man.
because uzathola ukuthi i-school fees is $20
Ndoda.
$10 i-general purpose $10 i-tuition but i-levy
Ndoda mina ngafunda eMpopo Mahaya ndoda. Imbiza yolwazi, yazi imbiza yolwazi. Imbiza yolwazi.
Yazi kahle.
Ibhasi yathengwayo. Like but nxa sengikhulile sengicabanga izimali ezakhitshwayo for imbiza yolwazi. Bese ibhasi yathengwayo.
Wait, leni chicken pass.
Ngazi chicken pass la?
Chicken pass.
Chicken pass.
Wow.
yakwazi on that note same here like isikolo mina engafunda kiso
Shout out to Mpopoma. This is not an audit. I'm not saying it's fine. We paid it's right. Ngangisharp ngembiza yolwazi. I have so many memories ebhasini.
yikho mina nga-exposanga because kecaba usezi-audit ngakhangela isikolo engafunda kiso le bhasi abayithengayo leyo ukuthi ngiyawopha umnyaka ngamabhasi lana ekhulunywa ngunotha ku-episode liyana aka-1950 lawa right ubusukhangela ukuthi sasibangaka esikolo le mali sasizibhadala ubusukhangela ukuthi okay if only a quarter of these kids pay imali kwakumele siyibhadale at that particular time sasiyathenga ibhasi engxenye ka-2000 ngabe sembone esinye isikole sentumbane a-small mika primary school bale bhasi enjani
Yizo la izinto ezingenza ngicabanga ukuthi although apho ma finances but hayi uxoxa abantwana aseyeni uxoxa abantwana boy headmaster nxa ulalela i-podcast leyo ngo-teacher
Ngizolana
ungaxoxa
abantwana.
abantwana
Abantwana
ungaxoxa
bafunde
abantwana
mahara abantu.
ungaxoxa abantwana
Siyaqala
abafundi.
hashtag free education lapho.
Hashtag free education
Hashtag
Simo ungaqala
freezer.
izinto zona wena ungaqala isimo la ungaqala ukufuna ukuba patriotic wena
unofunga ukuthi urani yo mfana yo
so unubone ngani thina sikwazi ukuthi kufunakala i-free education wena
Bwana ungcono.
qede mampama sicima then
ndo baba watsho
then the next,
we-2009
then the next thing we're not recording the podcast
Yeah, give us a
we're not getting the part of the 10 million
10,000 asayithola.
yabo so nah
thina basinika okuyi-50 we're confident
yeah but anyways question of,
1000
Oh.
awula mali esiyithola la but anyways question of the day
Ngifuna
what's
yena lo
your-
olalele yani olesandla kuhambana ku prove wrong.
prove me wrong but I know anyways
asimekele
nothing will happen.
nabuza umbuzo wakho ilanga
No, umbuzo welanga. What's your take on mega churches?
What do you mean by mega churches?
You see those churches where
Ongozithi awungola msemanje. Bese ngiconcentrate ngayo
Uvelele kuba-
Ngapha ku price.
price. Usile face yakhe vele
One
ibihambela
day
Yamthengisa vele uthi ah.
one time mfike ngisuze ko podcast ni record sibone ukuthi lizaqhubeka yini.
Ngeke.
Siyasuka.
Avela haya.
Anyways,
Avela
usakhuluma
ambuza.
bro.
So there's a skit that was trending esiya Druski on your social media yabo. Eshayi super yabona ama entrance abo Chris Brown la. Uthi mabengena so
Awulenge emoyeni,
kebe kule smoke machine echechi umfundisi
Chris Brown
mayengena
ex-WWE
yeah those are the churches enkhuluma yabona ama church ala ama pastor famous yeah those ones what's your take on those
mina I feel like it makes people start serving ama-pastor khona kumele kube i-other way around because I believe according to the Bible, umfundisi is supposed to serve the congregation. Because according to indlela uJesu describe ngayo ichurch, ama-congregants akumelanga ebe mancane kulomfundisi. Umfundisi akumelanga ebe mkhulu kulama-congregants. Yabona? So umfundisi kumele kind of like look up to ama-congregants. Lina lila kumele lihlale lila. Yabo lingabuyi lapha engikhona. Yikho ubona in olden days abafundisi abaningi anjo ababe siba ngama-prophets, they were not rich, babengela zimali, and they also had day jobs. Yabo babengabo fishermen, abanye bengo-campaign, abanye bengobani. Yabo, but ungabona umfundisi se-famous ukudlula i-church, then it becomes a problem. So I would rather prefer umfundisi who's tied to the church than a church that is tied to umfundisi.
Mongi?
Hayi mina le ama-church bandla ngithanda uyifakaza. But I feel like ama-church lawo gcwele kakhulu abafundisi abaziwayo. Laba kuthiwa babizwa besethini? Thani? Obaba. Baba. Ngifila ngani abantu sebekhonza yena umfundisi. Instead uthi bekhonze uNkulunkulu. Ayabona into yangikhona. So I don't know what into yangikhona. Nguthi ngawukhuluma maybe offend omunye umuntu khona na. So soze ngithi
Host, what's your
I
take?
think now feel offended, and that's when it hits hard the most. Because ungabona i-church yakuthi okay into efamous lapha e-church ngumfundisi than i-church. Yabo ukuthi like abantu angikhona nyaka ngembe izingxoxo zabo ukuthi aje kule conference mbani ochumayelayo. Anguzibani.
thola sepost
Ambuyi.
my mother.
But kumele ukuthi kuthiwa ngathiwa kule church conference just hey.
No azayela ukubona khona lokho. I don't like that vele my father. Uthola umzali. Esepost omnye ubaba uthola my father, my mother.
Toyathi come here my son ekhuluma lo babakho.
Because I feel ngani ukuthi so ngani lapho ukukhonzwa umfundisi. Asalanda ngechurch la sesilanda umfundisi baba. My father, my mother. Yebo sebepostiwe lapha. Lukenzelani guys, why?
Angazi ukuthi mina imbono yami eminingi yabona ngento lezi yabo. But I feel like kebe sokungama extremes sesithitha umfundisi nje celebrity yabo. Because ipurpose kamfundisi ngiyokuthungamela ibandla. Not ukwenza nje mina angazi ukuthi message bani spreadayo as a pastor if wena you are living this lavish like extravagant life, yet the people that are making the offerings on a weekly basis are poor, bro. Like maningi abantu abahambisa izimali ndoda ema-churches chayo dog. Like gone.
Abanye anti bakhona ku Gold Mafia I think Al Jazeera le.
Yeah. So lapho ubone ngani ungakhulumela phansi. Abantu
Sasizama phela ukuthi
umjijelo ufake imic ukhulumela phansi. Usithi angaqasa ukuthi no Al Jazeera.
Sensi Roadcaster Pro 2 bro.
Awasuke babuzi. I don't know, man. Hey,
I mean, I think you know, abafundisi should go back to the old times. Uyabona ukuthi like umfundisi wayesiba le day job. Ahambi la esebenza ayihasla ngale because the Bible says abanye babe ngo fishermen, abanye bengo tax collector, abanye besenzana, but then bese beseyachumayela ivangeli. Because if ukuba ngumfundisi becomes your main hustle, it becomes a problem. Yikho kugcina usenza konke we need to market. Kumele sifake iposter. Iface yami ibe lapha.
so kusiba wrong.
Yeah.
But as lead abantu astray kulula njani?
Yeah.
Reason why ngisitsho njalo. Ngaba kwesinye space bro engaqasa ukukhuluma khona angiqamba amanga vele sithi yabona mina ngiyaboniswa ngangiqamba amanga like ngikhuluma nje I kid you not sathi sisukuma lapha kulomdala wanilandayo wathi ngicela ungitshele more
Finish lapho unqamba manga
nje kube ngamna ngale beat ezimba ngazathi mdala letha $20 yabo lesawudo lapha endlini lapha uyalisebenzisa
khambe ependi south
like angazi kulento leyana nje yenza abantu babe easily but again at the end of the day umuntu lo muntu
before uvale conversation
angivali sasekhona
alright mina ngicela umbuzo lokho kwamademoni ngiqiniso yini nakho singahamba ngechechi bangikhulekela kodwa ngiwa alright ichechi angikhona ngam-invite
Wena uzazi lamadimoni.
I know India wafila
No, guys,
wonke
guys,
umuntu wena wanga wafila out of place wahlala phansi
yabona ichechi le vele ngakase yimake ukuthi wayebethela umfundisi isudwana
idimoni likamongelale lenkani
wathi bonilani so wawukhuluma ukuthi umfundisi kumele ule trip ngaphi ichechi kumele contribute imali ezingakanani yabona nami ngijaje ukuthi I think ngimebhisa ngabula ichechi yami engenayo yabona
mina ungayikhulumi ngoba
angiqambi yabona kwathiwa umfundisi kumele ethengele isudu noma umfundisi kumele bethengele angikuzwisisi umfundisi kumele ethengele isudu ngathi yebo ngobonile wafika isikhathi sokuthi njani sokulayinela ukuthutha ama-graduates lebe gqoka amagawuni phela echechi likhulekele ama-graduates likhulekele imisebenzi umfundisi utshela ukuthi wena vele ubona usiya e-UK ubona usiya overseas lana fine sifika isikhathi lapha kuyakhulekwa madoda kuyakhulekwa abantu bawela phansi yabona awuzofisa la upretend ukuthi umana wele phansi yabona
angiyala wayidibala
ngathi alright maybe njani umoya engcwele maybe awufikanga kimi kahle kahlani wafika isikhathi sokuthi sokhulekwa 1-1 la sokhulekelwa 1-1 slayinile lapha echechi labhaxabule
bathi lapha nyawa la
ngathi lapho nyawa sengiready ukuthandela baba yazi umfundisi eyakhuleke sehamba lapho sensizwa umuntu sengithi so lapho uthi somile ngwele phansi athi maybe ula madimoni guys angazi amadimoni mele wele phansi umbe mele uhambe njani
ayisikho lapho waqayisa khona uba lemanza
lemanza mina zami sefese
ukungezelela umbuzo wakhe mbano yake bone ucameraman esiwa kukhuleka umfundisi
exactly ucameraman
mina guys mina into engasoye ngiyale ukuthi amadimoni ayinathi
no amadimoni akhona but ayawela phansi nami nombuzo wami thawela phansi
amadimoni
because bangikhulekele ngezwe umntela semphushe lapha no esemphushe uthi njani ngwele phansi
amadimoni
right
amadimoni akhona but sometimes lami ngeke ngiyezwe ukuthi kuthiwa akhona amanye ama-church vele banyanya kabo ama-visitor ukuthi ahlale phambili ngoba bakwazi ukuthi lina vele liyaflopisa imethi zethu labona mthiwa i-documentary ka-Emmanuel la like nje kulula ukulida abantu astray kulula kabi ukuthi umuntu nje uthi but mina anyways stivoqhubeka ngisacompile umbono
I wanted to add on to the mega churches so there is this verse Ecclesiastes 7:10 it do not say why were the old days better than these for it is not wise to ask that question and so into eyenzakalayo is ama-mega churches ayengekho kudala I think the only mega church engaqualify nje mega church ngama-Roman Catholic and them because very they were like big yabona
yeah
but ama-mega churches akades they are more like lifestyle churches yabo like because bapusha the agenda yokuthi something that can relate to the now yabo so it's like kumele si-attract ama-youth cause singayekela ukwenza so bazahamba
kwama-church achazayo
bazohamba benza into zomhlaba basically so let's make secular music so that anbebuye bezogida but begidele enkosini and then yabona and then i-lifestyle can't be lifestyle without the clothing without the luxury cars without the yabona izinto zona lezo kuthiwa kumele zi-attract abantwana but then now i-tricky part sisiba ukuthi i-spirituality the-religion into eziyi-2 ezitshiyene so it's like a new age religion type of a thing okwama-mega church
ngathi ngiyayibona into le liyinanzelele kuzaba ivideo ngomunye umnyaka selibone enye i-church wenye i-church somewhere umfundisi sithi bazalwane ngesikhathi sokunikelwa manje bazalwane.
Yaba ngumfundisi umgcini lapho eMega Church asebenzisa i-podcast as a testimony. Mina mfana ngikhuluma kubi ngama-church ngisenze i-podcast.
Bazalwane.
Hambani le Google akathesi ubatshengisa.
Bazalwane nganyilo Sathane bazalwane. Khathesi bazalwane ngicela 50 ngapha. 30 ngapha bazalwane. Mahala. Just mahala bazalwane. Niga. Engithi niga.
There was a 10 million content creation member yamuthi mina ngandlaba ngana ababi ababe nathi sutshwala
abayendirekhodi izinto zomhlaba ngingahamba leyo check bakhuluma kabi ngami bazalwane ngingabaleleli banduhlisa para khuluma kwa
Chomleyani.
Mara mina iproblem engilayo I think ngama pastors yabo lama members angikhona lapha akola kwasamega church akola but
Church generally.
kulezinto leziyana ukuthi uzokuthiwa i-rapture is one of the things that trended abantu be something like this will happen. Mina I always listen to what these people say. Umuntu uzathi this year kulento enje ezenzakala but into yangikhona ingayenzeki
Njalo bano.
maye ngasayenzekanga lapha mina sengibuza ukuthi kare awufa
What happened?
bacaphuka
Yabo.
sengiku offender mangibuza but ona ngokhulumileyo ukuthi no ngo-2026 sizathola 10 million parasayitholanga sengibuza ukuthi yawufa then wena usukwata
Umuntu omuhle.
Very into le, it's the bigger problem is even pastors are now chasing clout as well. Yabo? You could publicity linanzelele there'll be false prophets in the last days. So I think ikolapho also kumele lathi singane siba spiritually vigilant kwana. To say in as much as we can't clarify which this is a false prophet, but bakhona vele abanye sibazi ukuthi alias better. But it's now an issue of where now your religion, your relationship with uNkulunkulu, yabo. And then enye into ebengifuna ukuyikhuluma kule enye church la so engeke ngiqambe ngebizo. But into ewana abambhoka ngayo nje. So like on a random day nje like sise church kumbe bese church or whatever kuyakwanisa ukuthi kuvakache another pastor from somewhere else or something obososizwa sokuthiwa khathesi esengizamamukela hayi ibhathi endiqokileyo alivumi ukuthi ngim-introduce ngizacela uzibanibani kuyazomethu come on really
yazi le church yazi kahle yebhathi
why
bro bafana ama-video la bechukele liyisemoni ema-church lina i-weekend ebuyayo ngiyanitshela
yazi nje church la aqinisile ndibayithanda
this is one thing engayimaka ngechurch angikona bro
I think vela
lento engibhanga ngechurch yona leya
aqinisile
no, I think abafundisi vele abafundisi nxa be-introduce vele Jay kule nto liyana so jayela ukubona layo mfundisi mayesele ora liyana so kuthiwa no umfundisi kahambi yedwa
uhamba lo
ukubona mama ndangi umfundisi fani yabe
umama bese ubingelela abaseceleni la
ngiyabese mase ngisiza ukuthi la sisiya kimi la ngingumfundisi sesukuma la
ngapho lambe bona bafayile iminute mate lama-fruits
church manje akula khona lokho
mina
indawo yama-church le
ichurch liyana
ngayangisetha nebhathi
maye bhathi ayangibhanga
ibhathi leli lenziwa
ibhathi endiqokile alivumi ukuthi ngimethule Ngizaca really.
Like mina, I don't
Don't show
really
the
have a
info,
problem when it comes to
Yeah.
mega churches. Mina, I only have a problem when they now make the leader of the church, the pastor, the prophet, or priest, however they announce them, it is bigger than the church. I think if mina ma-church engingathanda ukuwahamba lokuwavakatshela yilawo ukuthi okay, the church is bigger than whoever is preaching. You don't know ukuthi mbani ozamthole preacher laphana, but whoever omtholileyo umtholile. But if a church is tied to a person, that's
No, but
Yeah,
le
but
church
the issue-
one mfungo ivakatshela, so just for the songs. Just for the music nje ka one Sunday kuphela.
Mina for me is
marunda.
Mina ithiwa in UCCSA.
I'm na Zion.
about-
ichurch lena
Ingoma
ngayingena
zeZion.
sisenyathi yo.
Ingoma zeZion.
Lalabantu abagqoka izicathulo ezingaka la.
Labana abajampayo labana amazesisi. Bafrize emoyeni labantu bethi
Kuthi hadla.
is
Abablind
it
laba.
the same church laba abahlabela bengani bachakwelo so?
Yeah, I think yiwo. YiZion.
Try kupompa.
Amazion akwenza lokho no.
mana
Ama mega
UCCC
churches.
le Zion.
Yeah.
No, but I think when it's really said and done, umuntu lo muntu yazikhethela. Thina we just speak nje ama opinions ethu, not ukuthi sitshintshe umuntu aboni
Yeah.
chichake, but yikumangala ukuthi oh okay. Umfundisi angajumela drop imic ukuthi okay.
Awumbona ngomunye wayesithi nxa ephuma
So
echurch
wow.
wayephuma through the ceiling bemdonsa ngentamba ngani nguJesu sezulwini.
Ukhona lona oyihamba.
Wayevula izandla so
Athi
ama congregants ephakamisa izandla so.
happy bro.
Uzonto bela mafanyos phandle. Ngikwenza ithi abantu laba yabakhonza umfundisi.
But anyways, love and light. Shout out to the audience.
So sakhuluma ngathi omlwana ozijiyile.
Kulo muntu ozijile. Hayi,
Usiqubu.
Usijile
Uzijiyile usiqubu.
speed. I show speed.
Angikho lapho ujani.
Manje sithi siquba abantu bazabona
Alright,
ngani lithi mina yimi ngoba mina Instagram handle yami ngiso I show scuba. Yabo?
Sonke thozi.
Base ngathi mina yimi ngizijileyo. Hayi.
To give the chat a contest.
I show speed uzichekele.
I show speed went to Ethiopia. Bahlangana lo I show speed wetemu. Then apparently also invited Ulokozen.
Johnny.
Ujani. Yeah, from Zimbabwe. We're proud of him. Oh, by the way, kulama comments omile swabali yakhumbula. Right. But anyway, whatever ngale, he tried a lot of food. Then there was a point in time lapha kade
Uyadla yonke into la.
yeah, but this time it was extreme
Yeah,
because they
food.
were eating raw meat, raw beef, like raw meat. So then at this particular point in time, skata afika ahlana khona lo munye umuntu besakhulumisana kwapha washo madoda isisu sami sesibuhlungu la. The video is there online. Isisu sami sesibuhlungu. Wathi hayi sokumele nge69 esahamba laphana wabezichiya wazwa kwade phomuthi I thought it was a fart. But I'm sorry chat, but no, but I gotta finish the stream. I'm not chance agabe mjikele toilet. That no, go clean yourself up. What is enjalo? That's when Johnny stepped in.
Up.
Yeah. That's why I said he was more speed than speed. Because I okay wayibamba stream. Bahle ba continue ifocus yaba kuye ngale esasuli lokuzeni.
Maybe nxa igwenyantikana that day. Maybe nxa igwenyantikana that day esemoteni wayesefuna ukuzigakela kwathiwa thina siyanu.
Uzothatha sino amakhwapha.
Yabo. Ilokuzeni nakhuluma ngayo uBryce. Because I think
Ngena crew.
No, I think mina mvule ngayisi video. But anyway, sisadinga ivideo hiyo. Mbone kulo umjita lo kade sithi wapost into zakhe ku status ngwanini. Aza amajita.
Mongi.
Ngiyala sithi mongi.
What did delete from me only?
Wathi ngqa ku status. Ala zenza izinto nje.
Alama
Akusitshela context mongi.
No, la selifuna ukuthi lami ngizwe.
Yikho phela
Sasinomngani
siyakuzweni.
Thanda umngane nayithe ngayisendela umngane uthi indoda wena lapha.
Was it
Umuntu abamazi yabona nje abantu iveke uyifone abantu
Oh,
okhaza
sengibona.
12 viewers Tesla City so.
sengwabona yini? But anyways, ungabo post picture yakho unqunu, ungathumeli, ningathumeli amapunapuna. It's not godly this thing of sending amapunapuna.
Yeah.
In 2026. No.
Don't do that anymore.
Mbona abantu uBryce ilokuzenini. I-poster khuluma ngayo. It's from a South African page on Facebook. To South Africa vibes. To Aisho Speed chooses a Zimbabwean for African tour. But why Zimbabwe? Then the comment says, how can he choose others who pronounce country as country? How can he choose someone who pronounce the word people as people?
That one killed me, man.
So you wanted him to tour with Skomota. So you wanted him to pick someone who will force him to speak Zulu. In fact, someone who says a chicken instead of chicken. Kunzima. But akunjalo vele entitlement. I feel like omakhelwane bethu labana babehave njama.
Like they pretend like they're not in Africa. Or they are the Africans and Tina were the wild ones.
Bese mfuna ukukhuluma something ngakhomba ukuthi yeah visa.
Visa papa.
Visa. Kutha wena wathi wena. Ngihla kabani namhla? 15. 2026 wena. So wena ufuna ukuya la?
I was into enze ababhlungu kwini. You remember the way most popular icons and pages from South Africa are attacking Ayo Zimbabwe when Aisho Speed came here. Then Wabeseyenza, the most significant thing about his tour, getting someone from Zim Etwalai. So I think they felt that after ukuchoka abantu laba city banje yibo abalomuntu okhethiweyo ukuthi abe queen and ba vibe kwabamnani.
No, it's kiwa guys, English. Country government.
Into emnandi ukuthi into lana it didn't look forced or scripted. Like those guys are vibing genuinely.
No, plus Umchitalwana is the perfect co-host. Yabona umuntu understandayo ukuthi nanzi steering nelipoza leli ngiyaleke lipoza lenzo kwalo. Mase mbona ipoza ngani alisela energy. Mphongo ngena 2 seconds ngithi hafa pause ipoza libuyele. And kumele kube njalo vele in everything that it's a lesson actually, my brothers and sisters right there.
Refuela imota nxa singanisipheli petrol.
If you are listening to me ngithi say neighbor just be like Superstar Jani.
Just be like Superstar Jani.
Know what to do at the right time.
Know what to do at the right time.
Amen. Oh, Jenteleni apply into Umchitarara. Yazi ibhuku la 48 laws of power. I never outshined your master, my brother. Ukuthi sometimes ama master la wasuke. Asuke enze okunye.
Hayi kuthi yabo lo master ongamaster ngani?
Even ukuthi bare minimum yakho sikanya ngathi you are doing a lot. Because umaster yabo. But yeah. If there is nothing else, chat.
Shout out to Ethiopia as well. I like the way they are handling the tour itself. I realized ukuthi they are doing this baloku trend asebekwenzile ukuthi they like uyayenza short video ekhuluma ngendawo yena lapha hlala khona umuntu wakhona and then they invite uSpeed ukuthi abuye khona pha.
Okay.
It's something nice actually. So far I think ibo bodwa sebekwenzile ngapha I don't think anyone has done it. So
let's actually do something that was suggested to me by this other friend of mine. Let's actually read comments of the previous episode before we go. Obviously, and my top comments ilawana bephezulu la. Senzelo ngizisketi.
Nikoke short vela ngebebone lutho short.
Tom Mongi will kill us one day. This is Tony.
First one.
Drofnut. Fun. Thanks, fam. Shout out to Mawana. Shout out to Mongi for the dress. What's the call, Mongi? Happy New Year, my audience. Wait, me and Mongi have the same music taste. Junior SA was fighting or 2025. Nabayami was my fave. No. Mishidi bantu present. Manasbono mon. Trababulas is where you rest. Trababulas was where he raced the strongest African woman pulling cars and did a backflip. Yeah, I want him to I'm shining. Twani miswai amasende amacimbi lolimi was part of the
laphana bemfita
wazondamba bamfita amalokuze nini
bathi bemtshela ukuthi kuyaqinisa lokho abedobhelini
Wacha amasengizi.
nomnye ubhale ayisosqu not ayisho ayisosqumbu ayiso on a serious note abanye bafaki poison susala susifa sasikhuluma ngani I wonder sasikhuluma ngani but shout out to the people that comment on the
I think it was the issue here food leyiqeda kakhulu.
oh yeah
Oh yeah.
Kusakhuluma
I'm just hoping hey abamfakelanga abantu uSpeed mfana wangu uSpeed mfana wangu Jubane
Jubang
But kule nto yini elihlala lifu yabona lina liyakhuluma uma singarekhodi la mase sirekhode selithula ngijuice yonke Mongi
Karigay. That's going on here.
Why?
yabe zongathi ulungile wena la
Unabe ngilungile. Ngitheni mina ngifika la.
angwazi besikhuluma ngani wena
sithe sifika la intelana ukuthi besingakaqali ukurekhodi umgcini bebukele ivideo eyinde la eanalyzer
oh yeah I was watching i-video
Yokuzuma.
yeah nga-analyze ayi besharp but kumnandi kupovo I could see kulo muntu
no kupovo kumnandi nxa ule access ye-VIP not ukuthi nxa kuphovu ngela access ye-VIP
oh but
Kumna uthi kumnandi.
but this is according to you guys
guys. Umewanda.
this is according to you guys when I feel like kumnandi anyways but kufanana lokho elikhuluma afana lokulala phansi by choice ukuthi lo mbhedo wa decide ukuthi namhlanje lala phansi yeah but I could see kulo mjita lo mcheri so babe vibe from the crowd so bethu ngazi babe gadenga alabana babe kholisa nje
I think one of them is my friend uthi wayengela ndevu so membongona
uchero lo mchero lona ngani muhle nga-assume ukuthi icup
Wayengani?
no phela ngizama ukuthi ngahle ngithi ibhadlalala maybe ngizawa-offend umjito wakho something you know how amajita act ungaqalisa ucompliment uchero amephe
babengani basesenta emuva but on top of something
lambe lebukela lizababona zonke
I think
ngabethusa
umjita wanyamaza wayegadela pha
Mana yiphi video onoyibona le?
yinde I think 28 November was it 28 or
The one on
29
29.
The one on
Yeah.
YouTube.
yeah the one on
Alright,
YouTube
alright.
that was
Sebesayidinga
nice
lo
thing.
sisade
Labanye babekhombisana phezulu laba Beke libona linyenyeza ali silibona linyenyezela omama ngazi leyo libanyenyezelani
abanye besithi louder
Usiqu uyaphapha.
Hawu la udozosila.
kule chomela lifanana lo Thabo Bester
kanje louder sasinga
mbani chomlana ifanana lo Thabo Bester
I was a guy who was invited from the US.
oh is it
Yes.
shout out my nigga Thabo Bester
Yeah, I like
yeah you know
Hold you.
hayi siyabonga if you don't gcwala Fusek
Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.